Pneumatic vacuum elevators. As the world's only air-driven home elevators, PVE elevators smoothly move between floors while requiring much less space, energy, and maintenance when compared to traditional home elevators. Using pneumatic technology to generate lift, these self-supporting panoramic elevators offer homeowners an eco-friendly and aesthetically pleasing solution for their homes. Whether placing the machinery directly above the unit or remotely locating it, this video will showcase the latest upgrades available for the PVE elevator machinery. With 3 machinery upgrade options available, homeowners can choose a machinery solution to fit their comfort and needs. With a typical conversation averaging 60 decibels of noise, when comparing decibel ratings, it is important to note that a quiet residential area without any occupants produces just under 40 decibels. Standard mount acoustic. The standard mount acoustic machinery option for the PVE elevator allows for the machinery to be placed directly above the unit. A plug-and-play system requiring a 220-volt power supply, this upgrade machinery option offers an ease of installation and was designed as a sound-reduced solution for standard mounted applications. Requiring 107 inches of overhead clearance on the top floor, gravity is simply used for descent, ensuring a quiet ride as no motors or turbines are activated as you travel down to your desired level. Split unit mounted machinery. The split unit mounted machinery option for the PVE elevator allows for the machinery to be remotely located from the top of the unit. Connected to the top of the elevator by 2 4-inch PVC pipes or a flex hose alternative, the split unit mounted machinery option is an upgrade designed to accommodate installations with lower overhead clearances, with the machinery installed up to 30 linear feet away from the top of the elevator. Often installed in attics, adjacent closets, or mechanical rooms within the home, remotely locating the machinery only requires 97 inches of overhead clearance and is an ideal sound-reducing upgrade for the PVE elevator. For a cleaner aesthetic and finish, add a top floor extension to conceal any piping or wiring by extending the top of the elevator to terminate 1 inch below the ceiling. Split unit mounted outdoor machinery. The quietest machinery upgrade for the PVE elevator, the split unit mounted outdoor machinery option, allows for the machinery to be installed externally from the home. Connected to the top of the elevator by 2 4-inch PVC pipes or a flex hose alternative, installing the machinery outside only requires 97 inches of overhead clearance on the top floor, with the control panel for the elevator installed remotely inside the home. Installed in a fiberglass enclosure, placing the machinery outdoors is an upgrade that ensures a quiet ride as the cabin smoothly travels between floors. When compared to other household appliances, upgrading the machinery option for your PVE elevator will add value to your home while elevating your standard of living. With 3 machine upgrade options available, PVE continues to advance pneumatic technology since the company's inception in 2002. With over 20,000 successful installations worldwide in over 90 countries globally, pneumatic vacuum elevators continues to revolutionize how people and goods are transported vertically inside their homes.